Well, this is not what I'm going to do today. You see that the propagations on 20 meters seems to be not very good today. I hope that you hear me and you hear the sound. The antenna, what I'm going to do to test or to work with is the CHAMELEON POTA heavy kit, which is the multi-band antenna. And the Zygo X6100 today. As you have seen, that the band, 20-meter band, seems to be very quiet today. Not many or not much activity over there. That's the Zygo X6100. So hello everybody. Hello Michael Woods. Hello Delta Mike. Hello Mike 0 Oscar Mike Tango, Newcastle upon Tyne. Hello Slamer Radio from Lithuania. Hello Mike, Victor Echo 3 Papa Bravo Mike. And also Fox 4 Juliet Radio Kilo. Hello everybody, we are on the beginning of the summer and really good weather conditions. You see, it's sunshine and pretty hot today, actually about 27 degrees centigrade, of course. So I'm enjoying this beautiful day here, but I just wish the propagation would be better, because this seems to be not good today. But maybe the band will surprise me. Okay, I don't see. Yeah, the second mic is turned on. Alright guys, so not with the Maglub antenna today. I'm going to work with this vertical. I just set the SWR on it, and now it's about the ham radio propagations. So what the propagations are there on the other side, guys, let me know. It's a very good afternoon from sunny Slovakia. So let me switch to the other camera and turn on the radio. Gold Hunter NAO. Yes, haha. Hello Ray, Gold Hunter and Netherlands. Hello Ray. Yesterday we had very nice guests in my house. Mr. Ray, Papa Alpha 3 Hotel Alpha Zulu, or Gold Hunter, has visited me, and we had really nice day with them and with his girlfriend. So thank you for your visit, and I hope that you will enjoy your magnetic loop antenna, Ray. All right, we are expecting also some rain today, maybe even the thunderstorm. So hope I will be able to do some live stream today. Okay, so let me show you again the antenna what I'm working with today. This is a very small setup actually, because I'm using only one counterpoise. You see right here, only one counterpoise, which is, I don't know, maybe 5 meters long. Not ideal. Would be much better if I use maybe 2 of them, more of them, but we'll see. That's the current setting. So many turns I needed to leave under this thing. I don't know what's the name of the upper side, but this is like a slider. It's moving up and down, something with the focus. So if I want go down with the frequency, I need slide this thing up, and vice versa. So right, that would be great if you had some possibility to test your MC20 today with me, but I presume it will not working, because you are in Czech Republic today, and propagations on 20 meters don't seems to be good for such connection. All right, it's a very short antenna, by the way. You see the end of the antenna right there. So maybe 2.5, no, maybe 2, not even 2 meters. You see that it's really short antenna. It's standing on these rods. Right, one is here, and the second one is here, and of course I have a ground pike. Yeah, and that's the ferrite RF choke, also original made by CHAMELEON. Yeah, you may hear a rooster in the back. All right, so sorry for shaking. I need to set up my camera, and we can start making some fun. And those roosters are really annoying me, but I can't do anything with it because it's not mine. This rooster is from my neighborhoods, and all right. All right, guys, so let me know if the sound is fine from the radio, if it's not overloaded or something, and we can start. I have here my little logbook, so I need to find some clear spot here. Well, yeah, that's perfect. Hello, Buffalo, New York. Hello, Carmen.
Uniform Tango 1 Echo Kilowatt. Uniform Tango 1 Echo Kilo, thank you.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP.
Echo Tango QRP, nice to meet you. 5/4, Roger.
Okay, thank you for 5 and 4. Your signal, I think, is 5 and 7, 5 and 9. 5 and 7, 5 and 9. And my name is Pavel, QSL.
Roger, Paul. Nice to meet you. Your QRP, excellent. What is your antenna?
Well, it's a very, very short antenna. It's the CHAMELEON vertical multiband antenna. CHAMELEON vertical multiband antenna. It's a telescopic whip. It's currently in the middle of my garden and on the ground spike. And one counterpoise connected to this antenna, and the antenna length or height is only about 2 meters. Over.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Sorry, my name is Anatoly. I'm from central Ukraine. Propagation very poor, very bad conditions because today maybe magnetic storm. Greetings from Ukraine. My pleasure. Bye-bye.
Roger, Roger. Just could you give me your call sign again? I didn't get your call sign. Please try again. Over.
Yeah, right. I repeat my call. Uniform Tango number 1, Ecuador kilowatt. Uniform Tango 1, Echo Kilo QSL.
Okay, Natalie, thank you. For QSO today, for the QRP, I'm still running only 10 watts. So 73, enjoy the Sunday. Uniform Tango 1 Echo Kilo, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, thank you very much. Greetings from Ukraine. See you later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, thank you.
Uniform Tango 1.
All right, my first contact today. So, but I need to turn off the device. One moment. I have the device here for distract the animals, and it's. You may hear the sound for this thing. I need to turn it off. Okay, now let's turn it off. So maybe you know what's the name of the device which it's disturbing these animals, wild animals.
Ecuador kilowatt. Thank you. Possible. I wish all the best. Enjoy the weekend and good luck on the X. 30 VSM Possible. HV9TWY 730 system. Mike Victor. Bye-bye.
Okay, I can show you also the SWR plot I got on this antenna. So I go to the middle of the band and you can see the SWR plot. That's a pretty flat one. You see here the SWR. It's a pretty wide band antenna. It's better tuned to the upper portion of the band. But that's totally fine because I am a SSB operator, so no problem at all with this. This is how I wanted to have it. What is the range of the CHAMELEON antenna? How far can reach? Oh, well, that's a very good question. You can reach, theoretically, all countries around the world. It just depends on the radio propagations. Not much about the antenna. If there is a good propagation, you can reach even Australia from Europe or Japan, West Coast United States or Hawaii, but you need to have a good openings on the bands if you wish to reach those countries. Otherwise, normal conditions like this, Europe is pretty common. Everybody's complaining that we have a poor conditions on the band. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Well, to be honest, I barely hear him, so. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. What? Yeah, QSL, what is your cosine again? What is your cosine again? QSL. Yeah. Nice cosine. Okay, Golf Zero Bravo Romeo Alpha. Golf Zero Bravo Romeo Alpha. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, and the name is Paul. I'm QRP station. I'm running only 10 watts, only 10 whiskey, and a portable antenna. Over. Wow, it's super weak. Golf Zero Bravo Radio Alpha, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP returning. Your signal report 3 and 0, maybe 3 by 1, 3 by 1, 3 by 1, 3 by 1, 3 by 1. Your report 73. Thank you for contact. It's super weak, so 73. I didn't expect much from this QSO because he was very weak anyway. Hello, my brother. Serious stuff. Nice Sunday to Manchester.
Yeah, my name is Ian, Yankee Alpha November. Go ahead.
Hello, Thomas. Fox for India, Fox Quebec.
Thank you so much for the great report. And your great report, your AVQSB on the band. Dropping 5559 on the last over. That's working well. Running 300 Yankees up to 36 meters. Hand pushing 100 watts. 6 seaters FTDX 3000. And another lovely day here with overcast, 19 Celsius and a lot of windy.
Well, that's different weather than here.
Yankee Echo, HP9TWI. Go ahead, Paul.
We have beautiful weather here. With my hex beam in the background. There's definitely not rain, but we are expecting some rain.
Okay, Paul, I understand. Thank you so much for the whole information. Yes, vertical antenna doing excellent job. Appreciate the contact. I wish you the best. Enjoy the afternoon and good luck on the X. Mexico 1, Echo Yankee Echo, Hotel Bravo 9 Tango Whiskey Yankee 73, Paul.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
73, it's Hotel Bravo 9 Tango Whiskey Yankee calling 20 meters from mine.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
2 Echo 0 Whiskey Echo November.
All right. Let me find some clear frequency, guys, and maybe I will be able to work you, some of you, but maybe here. Is this frequency in use? Is this frequency in use? Hello, CQ, 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 CQ. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Calling and listening.
Mike 0 Oscar Mike Tango.
Mike 0 Oscar Mike Tango. Nice to meet you. My name is Paul. Back to you. Mike 0 Oscar Mike Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Back to you. I see I have a lot of...
Yeah, can you hear me, Paul? You dropped out on me on the radio. I see you calling me on YouTube. Mike 0 Oscar Mike Tango. Try again.
Yeah, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. My friend, you are 5, 6. You are 5 and 6 with me. 5 and 6. QSL.
Yeah, okay, Paul. Thank you for the 5 and 6. Yeah, you're 5 and 3. 5 and 3 with me. And a perfect.
All right, QSL 5 and 3. Thank you. Thank you for 5 and 3. Could you give me your name, please? Over.
Yeah, no problem, Paul. I'll let you see you touch any other way you see you.
Yeah, there are still very stupid people on the band. I don't know why is this happening. Somebody's saying hola hola when I have a QSO. Sorry, I didn't copy you. Mike 0 Oscar Mike Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. What is your name again? Sorry, I lost you. I think I lost you. Maybe the conditions gone. Thank you for QSO and 73 Mike 0 Oscar Mike Tango. I see you in the chat. 73 and have a good day. Over. Yeah, I'm sorry, but somebody is disturbing my connections. And sometimes I don't hear you because of the QRM. Hello, CQ, 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 CQ. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Over. CQ, 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 CQ. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Calling CQ. Alright guys, so frequency 14315. And I'm looking for you guys to meet you in person on the air. Hello CQ, CQ, CQ. CQ on 14315, CQ on 14315. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, calling CQ and listening. Yeah, Glen Forest. I think those kind of people are everywhere, sadly. CQ, 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 CQ. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Calling CQ. I see that I have a low frequencies in my audio. I think I need to fix it. You can see that Hello, 1 2 test. Hello, 1 2 test. 1 2 test. 1 2 test. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. You can see that the peaks are moved to the left side of the spectrum, which means that my audio spectrum is pretty bassy, and therefore I think, I don't know it for sure, but I think there is an option. I don't remember if is it only in the 6200s. Yeah, seems that it is only in 6200, the equalizer. There is no equalizer in this version in 6100, but in 6200 I'm able to set also the audio spectrum, but not in this radio. Ahoj Lubo, zdravím ťa.
One by one, you'll see that five still will fix it over good then. She was the big shoe for my 5x7. We're going shiny here, but there's a special event station. Tango, Mexico, 21 Romeo Echo, Florida. Tango, Mexico, 21 Romeo Echo, Florida. Roger. Yep. I kind of foul call at the moment due to the band conditions. I don't normally run so much power, but I am running about 700 watts at the moment. And
700 watts, and he's 5'7" with me, so definitely conditions are not good.
Kilo Mike 4 Oscar Papa down in Kennedy. Single for QRV.
That's the cosine again.
CQ 20 meters, Papa Alpha 25, November Alpha Tango Oscar, Papa Alpha 25, November Alpha Tango Oscar, QRZ.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
20 meters, Papa Alpha 25, November Alpha Tango Oscar, QRZ.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
CQ 20 meters, Papa Alpha 25, November Alpha 3.
All right, let me show you the antenna again for the new incomers or for new watchers. So I'm currently using the Chameleon antenna, which is a multi-band antenna, vertical. Oh, Ľubo, Ľubo, ďakujem za podporu a za príspevok. 4 €. Ďakujem krásne. Neviem, čím som si to zaslúžil, ale vďaka. So this is the Chameleon vertical antenna with this multi-band coil. So if you release this knob here or screw, you can slide up or down the slider on top, which is permanently connected to the vertical whip, telescopic whip. And there is a coil inside, and you can actually add or cut some turns of this coil by adding or by sliding the slider on top. A pretty easy design, a simple design. And of course this is connected to the center pin here on the SO239 antenna socket. And that's the choke. The choke is very important in such antennas. It is made of, where is it? Made in USA. Yeah, actually whole antenna is made in USA. I'm having problems with focus, but well, I don't see the type, but it seems like it's the RG58 coaxial cable. So the choke is made of ferrites. There are some or few ferrites stuck on each other, and the cable. So here we have some extensions rods. Here is the rod number 1, rod number 2, and of course the ground spike down there. It's a very dry weather here, so I was not able to stick this spike or dig this spike or hammer whatever deep to the ground, because it's a very heavy ground, very hard. So, but it works somehow. Anyway, here I have the only one counterpoise, which is the banana plug. Oops. So here I have the counterpoise laying down on the ground, and I have here something like that. So it's the little ring. This is made of plastic. So at the same time, is it the isolator? So not bad at all. Good. Okay, no problem. Mike 0, Oscar Mike Tango. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your Sunday. 7-3. Right, so let me go back to the radio and see what we can do today by these poor conditions. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, QRP. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, QRP. Olga Maria 0, Yelena Tamara, QRP. Oh no. Oh my gosh, this is the over the horizon radar, very common thing, sadly. It is very common thing in the last years. Military stuff, very hated on the bands because they are transmitting in extremely strong strength and jamming everything around. Oh, I understand. Mike 0, Oscar Mike Tango. So you are talking about the ground spike. Sorry, I didn't understand you. Sorry. Incredible noise.
QSL and we call QSL. Thanks for all the information. Publicly. Let me try out with it, Tri-Bander. Okay, I don't get on 7 feet, etc., but on the walk band, but not to worry. And I think if I was going to buy something now.
I tried to hammer down the ground spike so hard that my Ouch.
Again, I'm in no rush to change antennas.
I hurt myself.
Okay, there you go. Oh, you mentioned Mike.
Next time I need to use a rubber hammer, maybe. Yeah, that's possible, John. Then when I use the only one counterpoise, the antenna will transmit more in that direction. That is true. Somebody was here. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
Yeah, my apologies. Alpha Delta Mexico. Alpha Delta Mexico.
So weak station there.
Your station located into Quebec.
You can see that S point. Everything is up to 7 to 9, which is pretty low. Not ideal.
My name is Alpha Lima Alpha November. I repeat, America, London, America.
Bas Zonneveld, which antenna? Just tune it in. Well, let me show you the antenna again. That's the CHAMELEON portable vertical whip or telescopic whip. And the name of the antenna you can find in the name of the video. Name of the video live stream. So that's the coil, slider, and whip telescopic, which is only 2 meter actually. No, not even 2 meter. I guess maybe 1.8 meter. Short antenna. It's really short antenna. And that is my setup here in the garden. All right. And one counterpoise is lying there on the ground. Yep, thank you, Bas. I have a video about the antenna. If you go into the history of the channel, you can see the video. And this is actually my, I think, third live stream with this antenna. Yeah, that's true, Ray. He was here with me yesterday.
You are just on the noise level right now, unfortunately. 73 Georgia, see you soon. Bye, thank you.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
Station number 0.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
I think it is only station 0 only. Your call again.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
Roger, Paul. Roger, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Nice to meet you, Paul. Thanks for your call. You are coming at 5 by 3, 5 by 2, 5 by 3 with me from the back of my antenna, Roger.
Oh, very, very good. From the back of your antenna 5 and 3. I think it's a very good report for me. I'm running only 10 whiskey, only 10 watts. Only 10 watts and small CHAMELEON vertical telescopic antenna, QSL.
Yeah, QSL, Paul. QSL 100%. You 10 watts into your small telescopic vertical antenna. No premature. I can copy you in good conditions right now. You are coming 5 by 2, 5 by 3 with me this afternoon, Paul. Thank you so much for the contact and see you soon down below, Paul. Oscar Mike 0, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, Tango Mexico 21, Romeo Echo Florida, with my very, very best 73.
All right, thank you, my dear friend. 73, and you are 5 and 8 with me, by the way. 5 and 8 is your signal here. 73, have a good day.
Thank you so much for my 5 by 8, Paul. 73 and enjoy the weekend. Bye-bye, thank you.
Merci beaucoup, bye-bye.
Wow, amazing on to my Quad Alpha Delta Mike. Thanks for your call.
All right. Actually, it's not bad at all. You can see my logbook here. I think 4 contacts now, for now. Not bad at all, actually, for these poor conditions. All right, let me find something clear and call you guys. So who is able to read me and reply with a call, please go ahead. My frequency 14260. Hope that this frequency is clear. Is this frequency occupied? Is this frequency in use? Over. Is this frequency occupied? Is this frequency in use? Over. Hello, CQ, 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 CQ. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. QRP from the garden, calling and listening. QRP from the garden. Hello, CQ, CQ, CQ. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, QRP from the garden, calling CQ, CQ. Calling CQ, working from the garden with QRP antenna, QRP equipment, calling CQ and listening. Actually, I'm not sure if this is only QRP antenna. I think this antenna will work even with 100 watts. Frankly, I'm not sure. Hello, CQ, 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 CQ. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Calling CQ and listening. CQ, 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 CQ. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Calling CQ on 20 and listening. CQ, CQ, CQ on 20, CQ on 20. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Calling on 20 and listening. CQ, CQ, CQ. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. CQ on 20. Again. Again, come again. No copy. Calling CQ, CQ. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Calling CQ and listening. What the bug is this? It looks like a tick, but it's not tick. This is everywhere today. In my hair, on my hands, on my legs. Incredible. Do you know this bug or insects? It's pretty annoying. Hello, CQ, 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 CQ. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. QRP station calling and listening. Yeah, it looks like a flying spider. Hello, CQ, CQ, CQ. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, calling and listening. What is that, deer fly? Is that a deer fly? Hello, CQ on 20. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, calling on 20. Nice, John, thank you. I'm readable in Twente, in Netherlands, online SDR. And Echo Alpha 3 Delta Juliet Lima is calling me, but I don't hear him. Ken Halliwell. So you mean, let me check that. Okay, you said put the ground radio wire at the bottom of mast support. The mast is the bottom half of your loaded vertical dipole antenna. Well, I'm not sure if I am correct or not, but you mean like I should place this aluminum ring with the counterpoise to the middle of the mast or the rod, extension rod, or you mean put it here? Because there is also one little screw which can be released, and actually I'm also able to put here some counterpoise. And I don't know if you mean that or what. I think I misunderstood what you mean. But it is, of course, possible to put it down there to the middle. But I don't know if it will help to something. But it's good to know, actually. Kloš jelení. Interesting. That's the insect, the name. Jani, 260, 14260. CQ, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Calling CQ on 20. Calling CQ on 20. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Calling and listening. Hello, CQ on 20, CQ on 20, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, calling CQ on 20 meters and listening. But I like how low SWR is on this antenna. That's really good. Hello, CQ, this is Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, calling CQ and listening. Over. Yeah, I think the biggest issue of today's live stream activity is low radio conditions. You can see that actually on the screen, that the signals are coming through very weak. There is no any proper signal here. There is something, but nothing special, you see. So it is not about the antenna today, maybe more about the current radio propagations. Right, this guy is on 14170. So let me check one thing. Okay, let me check one thing. He is 5 and 8, pretty strong. I have here something what I wanted to show you today. This is my fully modified Quansheng UV-K5. This is my latest modification with all the best modification I known on this radio, by my opinion, of course. Let me show you what is there inside. Modified. I have a notes here. So here you can see there is used the version 6.8 modification board with the SI4732 chip. I think this is one of the best modification. I don't say that it is the latest version, but the 6.8 version is, I think, the best modification board for the UV-K5. It has a very good sensitivity. The RF amplifier, you can see that the RF amplifier is built in on this modification board, and also audio amplifier. The RF amplifier is very good on this board, very good sensitivity, and audio amplifier make it a little bit stronger, but I don't want to talk much about the audio amplifier because this is, I think, the main thing. Also, the external antenna has been installed on the Quansheng radio. You see, I'm using the SMA female socket. There is a rubber seal just against the water or something, maybe rain. So I'm using it. And of course, I'm using these 27 megahertz antenna with male SMA connector. And I'm using here also the VHF and UHF, very small and sturdy mobile antenna. It's maybe half of the size of the original antenna, but I have to say that it's pretty efficient for its size. It's not as efficient as the original rubber dog or something like that, but it's very efficient. It's not much weaker than the original antenna. So I'm using this antenna. I'm using this radio as my portable radio when I'm going to my work. I have it in my work. I'm going everywhere with my car. I'm taking this this radio with me, and I think this antenna is pretty good one. It's not. I can put the radio in my pocket on the jeans, and the antenna sticks out not much as the original one, and still I have some efficiency of this antenna. Also, I measured the SWR on this antenna, and it's pretty good. It's pretty good. On 2 meters is very good, and on 70 centimeters is a little bit worse, but useful. And you see the knob here. I used the knob from the Quansheng TK11 radio. It fits perfectly, and inside you can see also this seal, rubber seal, which is also used in the TK11, which makes tuning, or not tuning, but volume up, volume down, moving or rotating this knob very smooth. Yeah, it's moving very smoothly because of this rubber inside. And I like this mark because I know how much volume I have set on my Quansheng UV-K5. It is very badly readable on the original knob. What volume do you have set? All right, that's my another modification. Yep, and the FM radio preamp is not there. I removed, actually, completely removed the FM preamp. But this is not an advantage, of course. I just removed it because I was playing with this radio. I was trying something. I was experimenting, and I just removed it because I wanted to replace it with something else. But now it's nothing there, so there is no FM preamp. It means that the FM for FM band radio, FM broadcast, there is no amplifier for it. And this radio contains two EEPROMs. So there is a large EEPROMs inside, two of them. And this beautiful camo battery. I got this radio directly from Quansheng company, and I'm not sure where actually you can get this kind of version of the Quansheng UV-K5, which is the camo version with two EEPROMs installed from factory already. I didn't change or replaced the EEPROMs in the radio. They were there from the beginning. And the final modification is this reborn, factory reborn firmware. And that is what I would like to show you now, just quickly. I have here the frequency 170, so I go to 14.170. Okay, enter. And let me open the antenna. You can hear it. You can hear even the background station. All right, now let me show you how it sounds like on the Zygu. And now let me show you how it sounds like on the Quansheng radio. And back to the Zygu radio. So I just wanted to show you that how great is this receiver after the radio propagation. No, sorry, after the radio modification. All right.
Okay, 5 Bravo 4, America, Quebec,
Echo. America Quebec Echo, you're 59, very good signal, over.
Yeah, it's not cheap, this antenna, definitely, but well made, high quality.
You have my call sign correct. Thank you for 59, good luck.
So you pay for quality.
73.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Oh, this is weak. Hello, my dear friend, Alpine Radio Waves. How is your antenna working? And thank you for your video on YouTube. Alpine Radio Waves also purchased my MC20 Maglub antenna, and if you go to his channel, you will see the assembly video of the MC20. Andy, I don't say that there is no other cheaper antenna with high quality. I just say that this is a high quality antenna, and of course the price. I'm so happy that you are impressed of the MC20. Thank you so much.
Tango Mexico 2-1 Romeo Eco Florida, puede ser.
Okay, I worked this guy already. And that's it. You see, one more station here.
Okay. Thank you for contact 9 Alpha Stock Delta Delta 6 Delta Sierra Alpha Mike 1000 Mike. Thank you, 73 bye. Tengo Alpha 3 Charlie Oscar. Buenas tardes. Hola, buenas tardes. Gracias por hacerme la actividad, ok.
Charlie Alpha Sierra asking.
Is please, is this frequency in use? Golf Bravo 5, Charlie Alpha Sierra asking. Nothing heard. This is Golf Bravo 5, Charlie Alpha Sierra. Golf Bravo 5, Charlie Alpha Sierra. Confident Air Show. Calling 50 meters, standing by for any calls.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP.
This is Golf Bravo 5, Charlie Alpha Sierra. Golf Bravo 5, Charlie Alpha Sierra. Special event call sign operating today from the Royal Air Force Confident Air Show, calling 20 meters and standing by for any calls.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Air show station doesn't hear me, sadly. But I'm on the edge of the band and nothing there. All right, not every day we have a good openings on the bands. Yeah, Royal Air Force. Just briefly, what's on the 17 meter band? Maybe. Yeah, I can see that something. All right, maybe I can check. You see that there is a pretty nice stations here. So let me tune the antenna to this frequency and band. I'm doing this setting like this. So I push this SWR plot, and I'm trying to slide it a little bit down, maybe 1 or 2 turns only, and see if the SWR improves or not, if it's going down or up. Yeah, you see that it is going down. So even more, 1 more turn. Yeah, it's lower. Again, 1 more down. Yep, almost there. You can see me also what I'm doing on the antenna. So here is the coil. I release this screw on it and I will put down the slider and see how it looks like now. So 1 more and I'm almost there on 17 meter. I think this is too much or not. Yeah, this is good. Not as good as on 20 meters. Maybe 1 more. So this is how you can tune this kind of vertical. Now I'm going up. So I need to come back, 1 turn back, and I think this is optimal. Ooh. All right. Yeah, I think this is the best what I can get from this antenna. All right. Exit. Yeah, I know the JPC12, the antenna from AliExpress. Of course I know this antenna. So, no, that's the minimal, it's a minimal power when you measure the SWR. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP.
And is station QRP?
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP.
Oscar Mexico Zero, what is your suffix?
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP.
Oscar Mexico Zero Echo Tango QRP 59.
All right, thank you for a report. Your signal 5 and 7, 5 and 7, 5 and 8, over.
Yes, 5 and 7, thank you.
Oh, it's 9.
Press to look in your modulation, okay? For your transmission, this not as clear, okay? There's some disturbing and also in the audio. Thanks so much. Please tell me to meet you on the QRP connection. Bye.
Okay, many thanks for the information. You are 5'9", by the way, 5'9". Thank you for the information. 7-3, good luck.
23, good luck. Tango Mexico 40, Radio Echo Foxtrot. Kenwood 870.
Ah, this is Pierre.
Kenwood is 1 kilowatt here.
Pierre from Denmark, I think.
From an old TL922 amplifier. So my equipment is old, but still works well. Yankee Bravo 1 BBW, you have good signal, 5 and 4 this time. G0 Mike Japan Sierra,
no.
Go ahead.
So he's different, but sounds similar. Okay, let me do a few CQs on this band, and you see that a thunderstorm is coming. So let's go. Is this frequency in use? I will try to tune a little bit, if possible. Is this frequency in use? Not a big change, but a little bit more power. Hello CQ, 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 Oscar Mike Zero, Echo Tango, calling and listening. There is a RF issue in my audio probably. This French guy told me. Hello, CQ, 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 CQ. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Calling CQ and listening. CQ, CQ on 17 meters. CQ on 17 meters. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango listening. CQ, CQ, CQ. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Calling CQ and listening. Hello 17, CQ, CQ on 17, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, calling on 17 and listening. Oh, very weak. Sorry, come again? Very weak, come again? Okay, I think Sierra Quebec 7. I think Sierra Quebec 7. Is that Roger? Mm-hmm. Okay, QSO Golf 7, Italy, Juliet, Italy. Golf 7, India, Juliet, India. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. How do you copy? Over. Okay, thank you very much that you are watching my YouTube videos. I presume that you are on my live stream right now. Your signal report is 3 by 1. You are 3 by 1. 3 by 1, QSL. I'm losing him. Golf 7, India, Juliet, India, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. My friend, please repeat my call sign. Repeat my report. Repeat, please, my signal report. Over. Okay, QSL 5 and 5, 5 and 5. Thank you very much. You are 4 by 1, sometime 3 by 1. 4 by 1, sometime 3 by 1, my friend. Many thanks for watching my YouTube videos, and 73, enjoy the Sunday. Over.
All the best, and you enjoy the rest of the day.
He's 5 and 7. Yeah, you're 5 and 6 now. 5 and 6 right now. The conditions changing all the time. 73, have a good evening.
73, bye-bye.
Hello, CQ, CQ. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango on 17 meters. I didn't get his name. Golf 7, India, Juliet, India. If you are watching this live stream, please write me your email. Write me your mail. Your name into the chat. Hello, CQ, CQ 17 meters. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango listening. CQ, CQ, CQ. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, calling CQ and listening. All right, guys, so today is not very ideal for the radio contacts, but we are expecting some thunderstorm. I actually hear the booms from the thunderstorm, and it's, I think, very close. You may see that in the back. Not sure if you see that in the back. There are clouds coming from the west, and I will stop the station. We'll turn it off. I hope that you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, just write me it down in the comments. I will wait for a while. And there is a question: do you know zinc ointment? Well, this is the first time I see that zinc ointment. No idea what is it. So please, could you enlighten me? What is it? The zinc ointment? Martin, Papa Echo 9 Tango India Golf. Maximum usable frequency is 18 megahertz at this moment. So yeah, I think this is the pretty same over here, and that. But stay tuned on the radio, guys. I think that today afternoon there are pretty much storms about the Europe. So definitely the e-sporadics, maybe on 50 megahertz, maybe on 10 meters, will be open. So I will be today afternoon on the radio, and I will scanning these upper bands for sure. This is nothing much to do with the F2 or F1 radio propagation. This is something similar, something different, and it mostly depends on these thunderstorms, clouds over the Europe. Okay, it's the antibacterial to apply on the skin. No, I don't know this thing. Why do you ask? This is something off topic, but zinc ointment. Why should I use this thing? All right. Stephen Blanchard. Sorry, you was too lazy to get up for a QSO. No problem. We can try another time. Maybe also the conditions will be better. Definitely. Good, guys. So thank you very much for watching this live stream. I wish you and also to your families all the best. 73. Enjoy the new week, and maybe we can see each other again on my next live stream, maybe in some of new video. I was thinking to make the video about the final modifications of the UV-K5 because I really find these modifications very interesting on the UV-K5. So because I have finally a good radio for my common trips to my work or wherever I go, because I have a VHF and UHF radio and also a full band high quality receiver. I mean, not a high quality receiver, I mean like a good sensitivity receiver. So maybe I will try to make a video about it, short video. So lightning's map shows live storm, by the way. Yes, I am going to put it down and go QRT. Parts are on the way with the version 2.5 board. Watched your video. Very good. I have a 6.8 version, and I have to say that this version is very good. And so on. Okay, I think this is all. So 73, guys, and thank you very much for watching. Enjoy the Sunday. Bye bye.